Normally I mostly use the wax on linen, but sometimes also when 2-ply is curly like this, so it makes it easier, and I also think it makes it a little stronger to put a little beeswax on it. So, but this is the next step. This is the back piece, the sleeve arm is here, and this is the waistline down, and this is the front, and this is the back. And on the side, when you're standing in front of a person, you want to look over the seam. Like here, I look over the seam. So this one is under this. It's the same for the shoulder. If I stand in front of a person, I want to look over. It's maybe a modern thing, but it's again this with the subconscious and subconscious mind. So this one is the back, so this shall be the longest here. The seam allowance shall be the longest, because then that will come under in this flat filled seam. So this seam and this seam is the same, flat forward stitches and flat filled seam. It's the same as we did with the Godet and all seams really. Right, this one and this one. See, this is the back. I look over the seam, and now I have, that is a choice which one you want to have under of those two, but I choose to put it like this. So this is the side piece that we now need to put on the back piece or the front, just up to you. So, like this. This mark here is where the sleeve seam is coming in. So same principle with this. I think I've said it 100 times. This thing with the flat felt seam. It will look like this in the end. So if you're standing from behind of the person, I want to look over that seam. So this one needs to be the longest. And that's what I will do. So, flat felt seam all the way down, and of course the same with the other side. See you a little later. And I also was sewing the shoulder line together with the same flat felt seam, and here I want the front to go over on the top, which means it is the back side that shall have the longest seam allowance. Easy peasy, both sides.